guys, what's up? And we're back, and we are going to make items. And I'm just gonna do my ingot for it, of course. Now, we are going to press enter, 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 and a bunch of enters because we're gonna make a bunch of items. Well, not now, but we're just gonna start with classic items. So we're going to do public, static, item, and whatever. My ingot. Import knife.minecraft.item. And as you guys can see, I think we have to put it before. Yeah. That's always the problem with me. That's always because I am money man sometimes. No. We don't know what's wrong because I don't know what's wrong. So first of all, we're just gonna delete this stuff. And we're going to put it here. Don't know what's wrong right now. Really don't. Public, static, item, my ingot. I don't know what's wrong, honestly. I think we just need to put it over here. Now, that means we need to we're going to do, gonna delete it now. Now, we do it, I think, right here. That was the problem. Actually, no, it wasn't. We are just going to have to try one last thing. We are going to do it here. And it works. It works. It works. It works. Okay. So now that we've done that, we can go into here and do whatever we want. Well, not really. So, do my ingot equals new and up. Let's press enter here. Equals new. We're gonna do my ingot, just with an uppercase. Just because if you did it the other way around, it wouldn't work. Now we're gonna do dot item. Now press finish, and it will create a new class called item. And you guys can see that right there. Now, after it's extended that, we do not need to do anything else. Now, you're going to do dot set unlocalized name. So, we are going to set this to my ingot. Now, do dot set texture name to my ingot. Now, back like that. Now we're gonna do that. Oopsies. My oh my god, I hate this mode. Sorry guys. I'm going to now do that. That should work. Semicolon. There we go. We have set the texture name to my ingot. Now, before we do anything else, we are going to now guys, after we've done this stuff, what we're gonna do now is we are going to do a whole lot of things. Those things include making a new folder called assets. Okay guys? Assets. We're gonna make another package. You can do folder 2, it doesn't matter which one. Dot mm. We're gonna create a new package again. Dot lang. And we're gonna create a new package again. Dot textures. Now make a new untitled text file, and this we're going to press dot my ingot dot name equals let's do my ingot. Next, after we've done all of this, I'm going to go back here with these stuff. We are going to do this. We are going to Control S, and you see we're going to go into Minecraft, search, main, resources, assets, textures. Lang. And we are going to do enus.lang. You guys see that? enus.lang. Okay? Uppercase US. Now, we go out. And to me, I just made this a notepad. I don't really care. Now, after you've done all of this, you're almost done. Now you just need to make the texture. That is pretty easy. Just open your browser. Let's just do I'm just gonna do Photoshop. Then you're gonna make your own ingot. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to load. And it really doesn't matter what you use to texture this, as long as it's some kind of editing thing where you can texture stuff. So now we're just gonna wait for this. I just have this weird thing that happens and it forces something to go down or something. Wait for it to make that sign. Now it has. So now I'm gonna go here, assets, Minecraft, textures, items. We're going to do ingot. We're going to, this was the texture for one of the ingots for my show, for a mod that I was making. So we're going to, actually no, we're supposed to do this. Yeah, there we go. Now, if it's not working, tap something and then do that. Okay, guys? Now, I'm just gonna make it, no. Green, that. And now, that. So that's going to be our outside layer color. Now you can skip this part if you don't want to texture it yourself. I'm just gonna texture it for my sake. Okay guys, so you guys can see I'm just texturing it now. And if you want to watch me texture it, then fine, that's fine. It might not be that boring actually, because if you want to texture an ingot, I know how to. So anyways, I'm just gonna make this color and stuff. No, actually we're gonna make this a bit later. Now, after we've done this, we are going to just do that. Now that we've done that, you're going to do a bit of a lighter color here. And then an even lighter color there. Right here is going to be the lightest. And you guys see what I'm doing here? And now we're just gonna make a bit darker. And you guys can see, that's what we want there. Actually, no. I want it to be the same. Anyways, let's just save that. And we're gonna save that into our new texture, which is going to be in our my mod, source, main, resources, assets, textures, and we're gonna make a new folder. And we're gonna call this items. And we are going to name this my ingot. Now I press save. Now I press OK, press X, and press yes. Okay, mine's already set to a PNG, but if you have to set yours to one. Now, since mine doesn't load that quick, yeah, there we go. And now, just to test if it's working, you want to go to textures, and you can see that it has items. Actually, yeah. And inside, actually, wait, no. Go back into here, wherever it was. And we are going to go to here and move it to items. Now it shouldn't do that. There we go. Now we are going to simply run it, and it should work. Now guys, if this doesn't work, tell me in the description, or no, you can't tell me in the description because it's locked. But you can tell William X66 or Megamush. Sorry, his whole channel was William X66. I said that in my last video. I really didn't want to say it in this one, but I just did because I'm crazy. Well, I'm not really crazy, but I don't know why I said that. Anyways, it is loading, it is loading, it is loading now. It is loading. Oh my god, why did I spit? Anyways, it is loading, load up. You stupid thing, you stupid thing, stupid thing, load, stupid thing, load, stupid thing. You have to load, you have to load, you have to load, you have to load now. You have to load, you have to load, you have, okay, now it's loading. Let's just create a new world, and this will be test world. Just to see if it's just to see the test. Okay, press create new world. Now I'll just wait for it, and wait for it, and wait for it. Now you guys see it's loading. And loading, and loading, and loading, and loading. And you guys see that it, oh wait, so we haven't set it to a creative tab. So we're just gonna do slash give tab tab. Actually, wait. Wait a second, guys. Slash give. Now, I don't know what's wrong here, guys. Don't know what's wrong here. Should have been registered. We didn't register it. That's the problem. We have to register it. So to do this, we need to do game registry dot register item. My ingot. And the same thing here. Now it will do this on some occasions if you've accidentally messed up. Now we're going to do dot set. Let's just do dot get unlocalized name dot substring 5. Now it should have worked. Now it's gonna work. Sorry about that. I didn't tell you about that, guys. So now it will be running and running and running and running and running and running. And guys, you will watch the epicness of these writings. And I'm just gonna leave. And the video will be still recording, but see you in a bit. Actually, no, guys, just kidding. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? I'm not that stupid. I mean, like, who's stupid enough to do that? I mean, like, who leaves their video? Well, YouTubers to scare people do, or famous YouTubers do. But I don't want to because I'm just, I'm not famous yet. Not exactly. Not yet. No. But now it should work. And if it doesn't, well, then I'm going to be terrified. Now, we're going to do slash give tab tab. Now it should work. And why is the texture like that? Now, sometimes things can get a bit tricky. we're just gonna look what's wrong here. What's just exactly wrong here. Should have it in now. My ingot. Now. Refresh it. Now we're gonna run it. That was weird. Sometimes it can do this. If it doesn't work now, that'll be bad, but should work right now. Sometimes when you make these happen, it'll be sad because you accidentally failed. Now you're bad. I mean, like, who likes to experience that? And sorry if this video has too many errors in it. If you don't like it, you will, obviously, because you've watched it the whole way. And if the texture doesn't work, it's fine. I mean, like, it's fine. Because I'm just gonna be so sad. I don't know what's wrong. Let's just try again. Actually, no. You have to create a new world then. Now guys, you can stop because yours was probably right, but mine's not. And that's just because I have no idea. What the? How did we spawn in water? Just how? So, now I just don't know what's wrong here. Oh! Now it will do this because I just hate how this thing works. Do MM and the texture. It's gonna be my ingot. Now it should work. Ugh. Now it should work. Alright guys, my ingot. Now it will work. And now this is just proof that it will work in the end. A lot of times I have these stupid errors. And it costs me. And it should work now. And I apologize for everything that just went wrong. I just had to put an MM semicolon inside. And let's just wait for it. And everything's gonna be on. And everything's gonna be working. Finally. Now let's go in here. And sometimes if you don't register it, it'll be wrong. So I'm sorry for that. Now it's working. You guys can see it is now working. And we have our own ingot in Minecraft. And it is known as my ingot. Now guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe and like and subscribe and bye.